This is my recipe for an amazeballs sweet potato and lentil salad. Now to pump up the protein, I'm going with some pui lentils. There are tons of different kinds of lentils, but I'm choosing pui because they hold their shape. If I wanted them to kind of dissolve into nothingness, like in a soup, red would be where I go. Low sodium veggie stock means more flavor, less salt. Sweet potatoes aren't the only game in town. I've got lots of other veggies to go into my salad. Really, this is a clean out your fridge salad. You can put anything you want into it. Grapeseed oil is amazing for roasting for a couple of reasons. A really high smoke point thanks to the omega-6. And pretty much no flavor whatsoever, so it's not going to take away from anything you're roasting. The best part of cooking is getting your hands dirty. Makes me feel like a kid. Finishing touch is some baby thyme. There are so many different kinds of thyme, but baby thyme's kind of my favorite because you can throw it in, stems and all. Kind of an all-rounder. Any kind of food you like, baby thyme will make it better. Smells good already. This is va-va-voom time. Time to put it all together. Arugula is going to give a nice peppery flavor. And now for dressing. Balsamic. Little walnut oil. And maple syrup. Oh my God, when the balsamic and the maple syrup hit the roasted veggies, the smell is just intense. Sweet, comforting, but it's so healthy too. This is feel-good food. This is no simple salad. This is dinner. Creamy goat's cheese, nutty lentils, and sweet veggies. So good.